As the holy month of Ramzan is observed across the country with devotion and togetherness, Surat's centuries-old Khwaja Dana Dargah is standing out as a powerful symbol of communal harmony. From Hindus and Muslims to Christians and Jains, people of all faiths gather here, especially during Iftar, turning faith into a living celebration of unity, peace, and brotherhood.
As the holy month of Ramzan is being observed across India with devotion and spiritual reflection, Surat's centuries-old Khwaja Dana Dargah stands out as a shining example of communal harmony and brotherhood. Located in the heart of bustling city, the 445-year-old shrine draws devotees from different faiths. Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Jains and others who gather not only to seek blessings but also to celebrate the shared spirit of unity.
हम इधर दर गुरुवार को आते हैं, दरगाह पे आते हैं, सबकी मनोकामना पूर्ण होती है और इधर कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि हिंदू मुस्लिम, इधर सब आ सकते हैं.
Every Thursday, more than 10,000 people visit the Dargah, nearly half of them from the non-Muslim communities. The reverence for the shrine goes beyond the nation's boundaries, attracting devotees from across the globe who come with prayers and wishes, believing that sincere faith brings fulfillment.
And I'm here to visit this Sufi shrine and give our Fatiha and our respects, like our ancestors have done, like my grandfather, my parents. So I definitely recommend to come over here, give your Fatiha, pay your respects.
Through shared prayers and faith in humanity, the Dargah stands as a timeless reminder that India's true strength lies in its unity in diversity.